Hi folks, Lee Gettess here with the Market Sense for the week of September 25th, 2012. As always, the charts I use come from my Trade Navigator software. And the first chart is a weekly bond market. The bonds, we mentioned last week we had a little divergence in the momentum down here, and they've turned up nicely. I thought the 148.08 area right here where the blue line is, I thought that might be the target, but they've seemed to have gone above that. So it's possible they're targeting 149.24 up here at the upper moving average. And, there's no reason they can't go back to these old highs up here near 152, but, I'm not expecting great things. Just in here is what I'm looking for. Kind of surprising that they maybe didn't come down to support here in the 145.24 area first before going up. But, you've got a Fed that's actually out there buying long-term debt. Kind of creates an artificial market. It's pretty tough to know how they might flow. The ebb and flow of them is kind of gone, I'm afraid. In stocks, we have a little turn down here. It turned down Tuesday for no particular reason that I could see, although there was bad earnings from Caterpillar and problems in Spain with them protesting and protests kind of turning into riots. But what we've got is I really thought the 1439 area here would hold and around the green line, the blue line there, and it still might. I mean, they've gone a little bit through it, but they still could turn this right back up. They haven't gone directionally for more than a day since July. So nice down day on Tuesday. They could just reverse that right back up on Wednesday. And this is the area that a turn back up should come from, although they have broken down from an inside bar on the weekly, and that could be significant. Could take them down here to the 1417 area down in this vicinity, or the middle Keltner band is all the way down to 1380, and that wouldn't be horrible. I mean, that would just be a normal move in a trend. So that's very possible. But I think if they're going to go back to new highs, and I really didn't think this was the high when they made it back here a couple weeks ago, if they're going right back to new highs, then I think they ought to hold somewhere in this vicinity, with 1417 probably the extent of how far down they should go. But could be turning right back up from this vicinity here. So that's what we've got for you. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself into this week. Thanks for looking in to see how we're looking at things.